My name is Rhiannon Marks and I'm the Programme Director for the MA in Welsh and Celtic Studies. It's always a pleasure to receive applications from across the world actually for the MA in Welsh and Celtic Studies here at Cardiff, and I always enjoy reading the applications. The course is a taught course, but within that taught course there's flexibility for people to develop their own areas of specialist interest. The teaching is led by the research interests of the staff, and we have experts from across different literary periods. If you enjoy medieval literature, or even if you want to look at contemporary literature, then there are options there for you. You might enjoy looking at linguistics. There are options in social linguistics, in language variation and change, and also in language policy. So there's a wide choice there, and you can develop your own interests within the choices available to you. This course will prepare students with a range of research and analytical skills, prepare them for the world of work, or perhaps for further research such as a PhD. Here at the School of Welsh there's a friendly community of postgraduate students who I'm sure you'll get to know on the course. And as part of the course there's an opportunity to go on visits to the archives, for instance, here in Cardiff, and also to see the National Museum. So there's lots of exciting opportunities inside the classroom and outside, of course. It's possible to follow the course through the medium of Welsh or English, so if people have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with me or with the school office and we can discuss options.